Hello and welcome. I'm Serena, owner and creator of Carter Custom, and today I wanted to show you the Personal Growth Habit Tracker. This is just another rendition of the habit tracker with just a few little added bonuses. This is also laid out in a horizontal format as opposed to the regular vertical format that I usually use. To get started, I always like to go up and make a copy, of course, so that I have a blank copy to refer back to in case anything happens to the one that I'm working on. Then you can go ahead and you can choose your month. Now, if you choose a month that is not the same month as the current month, you will see that it turns gray. However, you can start in the middle of the month. It will show you the days that are remaining in that month, and anything in the following month will be grayed out. Then you can enter your habits that you'd like to work on along the side here, and however many you add, you will see them tally up down here at the bottom. And you can go ahead and check them off as you do those. You will see off to the right your percentage increases as you complete the tasks, and that will be your monthly percentage. Your daily percentage increases below, but the added bonus up above is that you will see this beautiful plant begin to grow as you check off all of your goals. So as you start checking these off every single day, you will be able to grow your own personal progress garden. Now, if you check a box where there is no text, you will get this red bar along the side, and this is just letting you know that you have checked something where there is no goal. To easily clear, highlight over any of the cells and press the spacebar until it's all clear, and your chart will reset back to 0. And that way you can reuse this chart over and over month after month, and you never need to download another one. I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that you enjoy this. Thanks for watching.